Ugh, Justin? I hate Justin.
Reload the clip and then we escape. Fully automatic, red no chest plate. 4 shot in your face, that a close case. Tell them we no fuck with it fully, and we knock it on the ups like any day. Kill a boy day, call that a fun day. Run down pon your base is a gunplay. My killer them, love figo shaping. Pon your temple, my kid them a spray. Money 9 outside, but I make way. Never stick figo, bust it in a boy face. This a man from the hills, watch your soul live. Ling blaze and Kim, bring the whole team. Can't fuck with the 9 where you feel J. Outside man I travel with the 19. Yeah we outside, pick up the 19.
Yo, east side, fully. 9, outside. You mash up the fuck that I might end up in a rest state. From BIL dog, yeah, you might get it worse. Rapid burst in a face shot, ripping up his shirt. Yeah, me killer them ready for do the dirt. Plump it on sprinter, exercise my finger. Hard cooler than winter. We not up on the Insta. What the fuck you figure, my niggas them a killer. Matter than pass me the chopstick. Figo make a bad flick. Blood stains splat up on my new kicks. Black jeeps rolling, keys unfolding.
Pussy better watch it when we swing cross. Fully outside while them indoors. Chip Glock badness, yeah we indoors. Heavy gun have a belly like Rick Ross. One press in your body in a mix parts. Dagger high voltage when the case spark. Flick about press play, we no press pass. Stand and tell the rookie we no take talk. Anyway they on the map, we no free fi drag about. From me get the intel, pussy full of copper shot. Shot enter your face and exit the back. All up point take ghost and they can't come back. All your friend them a run when your body drop flat. Them can't reach far, he can't reach that. Headshot top shelf for your body get back. See how easy the living turn to a dead man. One side a east side we love shit tam.